Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable always on display on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings gear icon. Now scroll down until you get to display and brightness. Click on it. Once you selected display and brightness, scroll down the display and brightness page. Then it should say always on display. Click on it. Now to enable always on display, toggle always on, and then it should say when to use always on display. There is wrist down. Under wrist down you have show compilation data, show notifications, show live activities. So whatever you want to show on always on display, just click on it and then enable it or disable it. Notifications, enable it or disable it. And then on show live activities, enable it or disable it. Now for you to disable always on display, just come to see always on and disable it, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to enable or disable always on display on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.